Hey guys, this is the Technical Wizard here, and we got a package today, so you know what that means, unboxing video. So, I got my handy dandy knife, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. The reason I did that was because I didn't have my tripod with me at the moment, but let's go ahead and open this up. I'm kind of opening it backwards because the top was covered up by the paper. Oh yeah. But here it is, guys. See if I can do this with one hand. Maybe I can. This is probably gonna take two hands. Just put the camera right there. Here we go. Awesome. So here it is, guys. A Cotton Soundtrack CD2 from the C76 Comiket convention. Now, they didn't make many of these, and this is the Quartz and Nagisano soundtrack. As you can see here. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. Got the whole Nagisano soundtrack and the whole Quartz soundtrack. So, now that the opening's out of the way, let's sit that side and we'll power up the Indigo iMac and put it in. Okay guys, so I got iTunes pulled up on the Indigo iMac, but the speakers aren't in the best of shape, but we're going to do this anyways. So, here's the little factory seal on it, as you can see. And I really hate to open it because there's so little of these, but this is going to take two hands again. Alright y'all, so seal's off. I did everything I could to preserve it, so this is going to be the first time this thing has ever been opened since 2008 or 9. Hoo hoo hoo. Oh goodness. Yep. So we open this thing and the CDs are like, oh hey, what year is it? And you're like, oh, it's 2020. And they're like, what? Just imagine that. So the Nagisano disc, the main reason I bought it, let's go ahead and put it in. And I'm only doing it on this computer because the disk drive is good in it. What will it say? Hey, it actually pulled up. Nice. That's what I meant by the speaker's not that good. Yeah, this has got the whole soundtrack on it. That's amazing. So anyways guys, it wasn't much, but I just wanted to record this because this was one of the few unboxings of anime related merch that I've done. So I hope y'all enjoyed this short video. If y'all want to see more of it, comment below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you guys later. This is the Technical Wizard, signing off.